Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School, and in today's video we're going to talk about how much does a driving license cost to get. So how many lessons would you need, what are the prices, what's the average price, and how much do you think you're going to be spending in total. Getting a driving license can be fairly expensive, but you're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor FM, and we're going to go through all the prices that you guys should know so that way you don't get conned by anybody, even your dodgy driving instructor. The first thing is you have to apply for a provisional license. You can go on the Gov site and apply for it. It costs about £34. That's your first cost. £34 to apply for a provisional license. Next is the cost of your theory test. So your car theory test is £23 on the weekday, evenings £23, and driving test is £62 on the weekdays and £75 on the weekend. We'll come back to the driving test fees in a bit. So the next question we want to ask is how much are driving lessons in the UK, and we're in 2021 now. So I've looked online, quite a few sites have come to a slight agreement of the average price is about 24. So here it's saying the average cost of a driving lesson in UK is 23. UK meaning from London to so Wales, Scotland, England. That's why it's saying the average price of the whole of UK put together, and we're going to break it down. So as I said, if you look at other sites, how much does driving lesson cost? Here it's saying 24 again. Here it's saying this other site. Lessons vary from instructor and location. However, the average cost for driving lessons in the UK, the United Kingdom, is 24 according to DVSA, the official driving agency. Now, it's important to understand the prices so that your driving instructor doesn't con you. I myself am your fully qualified driving instructor FM, and just so you know, just in case maybe you're getting charged say £30 an hour and you've just heard me saying the average is 23, it doesn't mean your instructor is conning you. It's just his fees or her fees in that particular area. So here on this table is quite detailed, and they explain to you some of the breakdowns and the average price of the lesson. So we're looking at, let's see, southwest of UK, northeast, Wales. So look, 24 in southwest, 26 northeast, Scotland 28, Wales 26, Yorkshire 26. So London's £30 an hour, 30, Midlands 29. So the average they're saying here is 27. And then if you look here, if you buy in bulk 10 hours, then it reduces dramatically to say 19 here for southwest. Let's go to London's 24. And then average altogether is 23. So this actually explains why there's a big contrast between the average per block booking and average per hour. So £24 average or 23 here is because of the block booking discounts that you're going to get. But if you do hourly, which again is 50-50, some of my students, for example, they book out 10 in advance, and I give a discount if you book out 10 in advance, and those who pay hourly, it's a bit extra. Average is 27 in the whole of the UK and 23 if you do block booking. Guys, comment below, let me know what you're paying in your driving lessons or what you think you're going to be paying, and also let me know the area you're at, because it's important to understand which area you're at and the price that you're paying, because obviously the prices in London might differ to the prices up in Scotland, as an example. So now that we know the price of an average driving lesson, how many lessons do you need in order to pass a driving test? We've made another video on that. Do check it out with FM Driving School. Subscribe with us, like with us. But for now, we know we need to pay for, let me get the provisional first. It's £34 for the provisional license. Then it's £23 for the theory. Driving test is 62. And then driving lessons, you're looking at 27 per hour or 23 to 24 in terms of block booking. Now we're gonna go through, as I said in the next video, how many lessons you need, what's the average price of the amount of lessons you need, and how much you're gonna spend on that. So do check it out. Subscribe with us, FM Driving School.